Just got a Droid Eris and I want to do an unboxing. I can't wait to open this thing up and I can't wait for everybody to see it.
Hey buddy.
Matt, I'm trying to...
Listen dude, unboxings are gay. No one watches them at all.
This doesn't really involve you, so I'm just going to really go and do this.
You want to do an unboxing? We're going to do an unboxing the Matty G way. Unboxing drinking game!
What was I doing? Oh, my unboxing. Yeah, my unboxing. Wait, where's my phone?
This is Matty G, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of a droid. Hold on. This is probably a phone, I'm thinking. Here, I'm gonna take them out. There it is. Brand new in the package. In the package. I'm gonna open it.